Welcome to my channel. Easy guide to setting up your Macard Wi-Fi extender. Step 1. Unbox your Macard Wi-Fi extender. First, take everything out of the box. You should have the Macard Wi-Fi extender, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, a quick start guide. Step 2. Plug in your extender. Find a central location between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Plug the extender into a power outlet. Make sure it's within the range of your existing Wi-Fi signal. Step 3. Power on. Turn on your extender. Wait for the power light to turn solid green. This might take a minute or two. Step 4. Connect to your extender. On your phone, tablet, or computer, go to the Wi-Fi settings and look for a network named something like Macard_EXD. Connect to this network. Step 5. Access the setup page. Open a web browser and type in the address bar, http://192.168.10.1. This will take you to the extender setup page. Step 6. Log in. You'll be prompted to log in. The default username and password are usually both admin. Check your quick start guide if these details are different. Step 7. Set up the extender. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Choose a new network name, SSID, and password for the extended network, or keep it the same as your existing network. Step 8. Finish setup. Click Apply or Finish to save your settings. The extender will reboot, and you should see a message confirming that the setup was successful. Step 9. Reconnect your devices. Once the extender has rebooted, go back to your device's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the new extended network. If you use the same network name and password as your existing network, your devices should automatically switch to the best signal. Step 10. Placement check. Move around your home to ensure that you now have a strong Wi-Fi signal in previously weak areas. If needed, adjust the position of the extender for optimal coverage. Troubleshooting tips: if you can't access the setup page, check that your device is connected to the extender's network. Ensure your router's Wi-Fi signal is strong where the extender is placed. Reset the extender by pressing the reset button for 10 seconds if you encounter any issues, and start the setup process again. Congratulations! Your Macard Wi-Fi extender should now be up and running, providing you with a stronger and more reliable Wi-Fi signal throughout your home. Enjoy seamless browsing, streaming, and online gaming with your enhanced network coverage. Thanks for watching.